If you watched the first and second videos in this series, you'll be pleased to know that this is the final one. Here we are heading back to the United Kingdom through Belgium and visiting a few important areas, remembering the men and women who gave their lives in the wars. During the First World War, Ypres, or Wipers as it was commonly known by the British troops, was the centre of the battles of Ypres between German and Allied forces. The Menin Gate memorial to the missing, who fell before the 16th of August 1917 and who have no known grave. As graves are identified even today, the names of those buried are removed from the gate.
age 33, age 41. John Francis Mallory, age 21. James Henry Wade, age 20.
War graves cover the landscape around Ypres. A large number are at Tyne Cot Cemetery. It is the largest cemetery for Commonwealth forces in the world, for any war. The name Tyne Cot is said to come from the Northumbrian Fusiliers, seeing a resemblance between the concrete pillboxes on this site and a typical Tyneside workers' cottage, a Tyne Cot. built over the Tyne Cot blockhouse, which was captured by the 3rd Australian Division, is the Cross of Sacrifice, seen in so many Commonwealth war cemeteries. There are 11,856 burials here at the time of filming.
To the hospital for the boats there was like with the boat ambulance.
On to Bruges in our final 2 days. We visited many times before. There's a multitude of bicycles, buses, cars and horse-drawn vehicles here, so you have to have your wits about you when you're walking about. It's still very enjoyable, there's always something new to see, and this time we took a canal trip which lasted about 35 minutes.
Then here in front of us is the lock system, it's to control the water. It's here on the left hand side of the bridge, right up to the wall in front of us. 1 second, I'll show you. It's really small, I have it. $1.20 to the right, you can see that. And if you like to go up, you need to do a 366 steps, so good luck, have fun, bon chance. The Belfry of Bruges. Century was for the rich people, the product tea was something really expensive. Was to show up that they could drink a tea. Rich people, the tea house. Very small edition. It was for the business people in a very important position.
This is Camping Memling, on the outside of the city. There's showers and toilets here, and also you can empty your wastewater. The pitches are very level, some are on grass and some are on a semi-hard standing. It was a great site because it was only about 5 minutes walk from a bus into the city centre. It's well recommended. Access is via an automatic gate which recognises your registration number. So you can come and go as you please, and it's very safe. The Rotterdam Europort is huge. It goes on for miles and miles as you drive there. If you've enjoyed this video and you have not yet checked out the first two, please go and have a look at those. Otherwise, please leave a comment and subscribe if possible, and we look forward to seeing you next time. Thanks for watching.